Welcome to today's video where we're diving into DAZN, the ultimate sports streaming platform. If you're a sports fan looking for a one-stop solution to watch live games, on-demand matches, and original sports content from any device, you're in the right place. DAZN is a global sports entertainment platform that allows you to stream live events, replays, and exclusive shows. You can watch on mobile phones, tablets, smart TVs, and many other devices. It brings the game to you wherever you are. One of the biggest advantages of DAZN is its wide range of sports rights. You can watch boxing events, women's football leagues, MMA promotions, tennis, darts, and many international competitions. This makes DAZN perfect for fans who love more than one sport. Another important feature is flexibility. You can watch live events or replay them anytime you want. DAZN also includes schedule notifications to make sure you never miss your favorite matches. The app also has a feature called Fan Zone where you can chat with other fans, share reactions, and connect during live games. The user experience is simple, clean, and easy to navigate. Many users enjoy the modern interface and the wide variety of content. However, some users report issues such as login problems or regional restrictions depending on their country. To get started, download the app, create an account, choose a subscription plan, and begin exploring the live schedule. You can set reminders, check upcoming events, and watch archived content anytime. DAZN is best for people who enjoy multiple sports and want the flexibility to watch from any device. It may be less useful if you only follow one specific sport that already has its own dedicated service. In summary, DAZN is a powerful option for sports streaming with global coverage, strong sports variety, on-demand access, and social features. Check availability in your region and device compatibility before subscribing. Thanks for watching this overview, and see you in the next video.